Hey everybody, it's Len. Thanks for joining me. I'm just out for an outing. I'm in Bogota. I'm on my way to a mall to find hopefully some things Roxanne needs for her cast. And I thought I was crossing this busy road to get to the other side. I thought I'd show you a little bit of the traffic and sights here in Bogota. I'm going to flip the camera and give you a view here. I don't know how accurate it is, but our taxi driver told us when we were picked up at the airport and took us to our Airbnb. Bogota has a population of about 10 million. So it's a very densely populated city, and it's in the valley, surrounded by mountains all around us. I believe in the distance there's a couple mountains that I'll try to zoom. A couple mountains there. One of them, I guess, is a mountain where there was an apparition or a vision of Guadalupe, Saint Guadalupe. That's in the distance there, and the other one, I can't recall the significance of that one in the distance there. But that's a little bit of Bogota. Big, busy city. Although where we're staying is a very nice, quiet little neighborhood. We're just about 5 blocks off this main road here. So I'm pretty sure I found the big mall where this pharmacy is located. I think this is a mall called Central Mayo. So we'll go in and see if we can find the shop we're looking for. Well, I definitely found the mall. Huge mall. Lots of businesses. Now I just have to find the pharmacy. It looks like I've come upon a police van in the mall here. Coming to the end of the day here, or well, not quite the end of the day, but it's about 5:30. I found what I was looking for in the mall here. It's you saw earlier some of the footage in the mall there. It's a huge mall, very, very busy, incredibly busy. So I'm glad to be on my way home. The mall's behind me here. It's actually called Central Mayo or Mayor. And I'm just gonna walk back to our Airbnb apartment, which is, I think, about a 20-minute walk. That's the mall I just left, and the major road running along. So, just gonna make my way home. Just making my way home from the mall, heading over the pedway across the major road. A little less traffic now than there was when I first came, heading towards the mall. Our place is about over in that kind of direction. There's some nice graffiti paintings. So on the way home to our Airbnb apartment, what you're looking at here is Calais 45A South, I believe. It's a major street that we're just off. And it's a nice change going from this busy street into our little neighborhood here. Much more quiet. We're just a few blocks away from our place that we're staying. And what's really nice about this neighborhood is that there's all these nice green spaces, parks, and yeah, it's just a really nice spot. I'm going to try to make my way back without my Google Maps. See how that goes. So here we are. I found my way. I was closer than I thought. And as I was saying before, it's a really nice neighborhood with not lots of green spaces. There's just these open blocks of park space and quiet little streets. It's a really, really nice, quaint little neighborhood. And across the street here, the Muzo Express is where we've been doing our grocery shopping. And there's a butchery, there's a stationery store, there's a little grocery store over there, restaurants, hardware store. It's really nice. And over here, all these unique looking buildings. And nice and quiet. Nice park here, play park for the kids, or for children and families. So I'm just about half a block from our place, right over by the street, the flag there. That's where we got dropped off with our taxi when we first came here. This is the walkway to our place that we're staying. And we're in the very top apartment right there. And we got this beautiful little park out here in front of our entrance. And here's the entrance to our building. So thanks for coming with me for my day out today.